Welcome to Lancashire Fire and Rescue Service's annual report for 2020. Looking back and reflecting over the last 12 months, it's hard to think of a more demanding and challenging period in our history. As a service, we've adapted to changing risks affecting the safety of our communities, and with the arrival of the coronavirus pandemic early into 2020, I'm proud to say our staff rose to the challenge again with enthusiasm and determination. From adapting our visits to vulnerable residents and our delivery of safety education and business support to maintaining an effective operational response, we adapted our services best we could, and we were able to continue to deliver both vital staff training and support communities alongside our partners, playing a central role in Lancashire's response to the pandemic.
Lancashire Fire and Rescue Service played a central role in the response to the pandemic from an early stage, working as one team alongside partner agencies in a Lancashire Resilience Forum.
My normal role usually involves providing that strategic support to help reduce fire risk amongst older people. During the pandemic, my role has changed slightly to a more hands-on approach. I've been part of a bigger team that have been carrying out welfare checks to the shielding and vulnerable people in the community. Now, this involves offering support with shopping, prescription collection, or even just a friendly phone call now and again to reduce isolation.
We used our service training centre as a base to help coordinate supply distribution of PPE to health and social care settings, and help provide face-fit testing for those key workers on the health services front line.
The idea is to find better fitting PPE, face masks in this case, switching from what they used to these better fitting face masks which multi-face.
We aim to continue as much of our work as possible and adapted our own services as best we could to help support people in alternative ways. These adaptations included creating digital versions of our education sessions, donating our old iPads to local hospitals and hospices, and delivering a virtual fireworks event to help those seeking to celebrate bonfire night at home do it more safely. By Christmas, our attention was turning towards supporting the local NHS services established vaccination centres, and we are proud to say we were one of the first in our sector to take on this role.
I've been doing it since it started. I've done the administration side, the marshalling. At one side we were doing the questionnaire, taking the temperatures. So it's a burden that everybody has to share, it's not just down to a few. And I think we've got to support the NHS as much as we can.
By the end of March 2021, our own specially trained staff had delivered around 20,000 vaccines to vulnerable people in Lancashire too. We're still assisting with delivery of Lancashire's vaccination programme, and will continue to do so for as long as we're needed. Work continued in prevention and protection with our planned review of the Home Fire Safety Check referral pathway, and we continue to work to address the evolving risks posed by the built environment. We worked on strengthening our operational assurance monitoring systems and capabilities to respond to the impacts of climate change. A programme of work was devised to help build a culture in our organisation which promotes a healthy state of well-being and truly represents our STRIVE values. Despite the challenges the pandemic brought, we were still able to make some progress on our service plan priorities. We trialled flexible annual leave arrangements in Blackpool and South Shore and focused our community engagement efforts alongside partners on the BAME communities during the pandemic. We sought to develop and expand our apprenticeship opportunities and completed a programme of work to improve facilities at South Shore Fire Station. Investing in training and equipment will ensure long-term improvement continues and that our people have access to the best training and equipment to best serve the people of Lancashire both now and in the future.
It's really pleasing to be able to look back on the last year and just see how much has been achieved, not only in adapting our services and delivering new services, but making sure that we were there for our communities in their moment of need and able to deliver a first-class standard response alongside that. We still achieved a lot, and this report is testament to that, and we continue to make sure that the communities of Lancashire have been kept safe.